If you are crowned the winner tonight, how do you envision using your platform to advocate for the Bear community and amplify its voices?
Good evening, everyone. For me, having a title is just a title. But most important thing is you have the heart for the community. Not only just the Bear community, but all the community. Serving, giving to them, having the compassion to your heart, having the empathy and love. That's the only thing that you will have the crown. Having a compassionate heart. And that was I am. Thank you very much.